I am Vanya Modgil of class 5th A. Today I am trying to make a bird feeder. Materials required for it: a cardboard piece, bowls, scissors and some watercolors. So first I will paint this cardboard. Cardboard, cut a hole in it and put a bowl into it. Now you will get something like this. Stick both pieces of cardboard and place two bowls on the edges of it. Now let's color the bird feeder. I am painting green and brown on it. I have painted a sunflower on it, and for the decoration I am using these plastic flowers. Now let's hang it with the thread. Now let's put some grains and water in it. Now I am putting water. Now our bird feeder is ready. You can see it. I hope you like my bird feeder. Thank you.